Hi guys, today we are going to install Node.js JavaScript on a Windows 11 machine and run it using VS Code. We run a server which basically hosts a simple web page that returns hello world when we visit that in a browser. To install Node.js, open a browser of your choice. So let's use Chrome and then search for Node.js. The first link that you'll get is nodejs.org and just click on this. And this brings you to nodejs.org homepage where you just have a download link for Node.js LTS, which is long-term support. So we want to download this particular version and we click on the download button. You can create a new folder, name it Node.js in your downloads folder, and then select that as basically the download location. Click on save to download this and wait for it to complete the download over here. Now once the download is complete, click on this download symbol and you will see that you have downloaded an MSI file for this. We just need to click this file and this is going to start the setup for Node.js. Now click on next, read the license agreement and click on accept if you accept it, and then click on next again, and then install Node.js to program files. This is the most common location to install it, and you can just let it be unless you want to change it for some other reason, and you just click on next. Then now this is setup customization. I'll let this be because it's installing most of the Node.js parts and I have no reason to change this for now. So I'm just going to click on next over here, and I'm also going to select automatically install necessary tools for native modules, and I'll click next over here. Alright, so finally we click on install over here to install it, and you will get a user account control prompt for it, and I'm going to select yes over here. So let's wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so once it's completed, you'll get this message, completed the node.js setup wizard. So Node.js is now installed, and we click on finish. So tools for Node.js native modules installation script requires around 3 GB of space. I'm not going to do it right now, and I'm just going to close it, and there is this link available to install it later on if we need that. So we're going to close this window right now to stop this process right now. So let's close this. Now we need to open Visual Studio Code. Just in case you don't have it installed, you can check out the link in the description on how to install VS Code with GitHub Copilot for free. So let's open that now. Once you're in Visual Studio Code, you can click on file and you can click on new file over here, and then let's call it server.js. So I'm just going to create this file in the downloads directory where I've downloaded this for now, just to demonstrate the Node.js code. Since we have GitHub Copilot, we can press Ctrl+I and ask Copilot to write a simple Node.js script to. So you can ask to write a simple Node.js script to run a server that prints hello world. This is just to demonstrate this, and you can actually just write this code on your own also. It's pretty simple. And let's press enter. And let's accept this. So you can just write this code on your own as well. So we basically load HTTP. We define the host name as localhost 127.0.0.1. We also define the port as 3000. Then we define server as create server with a request and response, and basically the response is just to end it with hello world over here in plain text, and then the server listens on this port and host name, and it's just prints on the console that that the server is running at this particular host name and port. Alright, so just let's press Ctrl+S to save this file. Alright, so now we can open a new terminal by clicking over here. You can also select the type of terminal that you want to use from over here. So we are going to stick with PowerShell, and we are going to just run this file now. So to run this, you basically type node, and then we have this file in downloads, node.js, and then we have the file which is server.js, right? So you can press tab to autocomplete this, and then you get this like ./download/node.js/server.js, where dot represents your starting directory, which is your home directory. And then you press enter, and now you get this which says the server is running at this particular link. So you can just copy this link. Let's press Ctrl+C. We can go back to our browser, open a new tab, and then visit this link, and you see it prints hello world. So basically now you have a server running on your machine which when visited on localhost port 3000 prints hello world, and this is basically coming from your Node.js application over here. You can now actually learn more about Node.js and extend this to a full-fledged application, but this is how you do the setup on Windows 11 and run a basic server which can actually handle a simple request like visiting this link and printing hello world on it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to our channel, The AI Language, and there are other videos on AI agent development and on Flutter app development and on backend setup. If you'd like to watch them, please do subscribe to our channel for that. Thank you very much.